At the touch of a button, flying through hyperspace. You to me are like the sun in the sky.
The 1980s was defined by sonic experimentation, from dark new wave anthems to shimmering synth-pop pioneers.
That's how I feel. I want it to be real. I want to know.
But while a few hits get all the spotlight today, these 10 brilliant tracks have completely faded from the airwaves. Let's count them down.
You came to me when I was lonely and no one cared.
Number 10, Roxy Music, More Than This.
More than this. You know there's nothing.
A beautifully smooth, sophisticated sophisti-pop masterpiece driven by a lush rolling synth texture and Brian Ferry's incredibly elegant velvet vocal delivery.
You know there's nothing more than this.
Number 9, Gazebo, Lunatic. A spectacular, fast-paced Italo-disco gem packed with heavy electronic synth bass lines and a sweeping, dramatic melody that dominated European dance floors.
You walk in the moonlight, don't like the shade.
Number 8, the Alan Parsons Project, Lucifer. A brilliantly atmospheric, progressive rock instrumental track fueled by a hypnotic, driving clavinet bass groove and majestic brass arrangements. Number 7, Trans X, Living on Video.
Stop. Living on video. Stop.
An absolute blueprint for futuristic high NRG synth pop, instantly recognizable by its blazing, hyper-infectious electronic hooks and robotic vocal styling.
At the touch of a button, flying through hyperspace.
Number 6, the Buggles, Living in the Plastic Age.
Living in the plastic cage, looking only of my age.
The quirky, high-concept follow-up to Video Killed the Radio Star, delivering a wonderfully dense pop-rock layer of synthesizers and sharp, ahead-of-its-time lyricism.
Living in the plastic cage, looking only of my age.
Number 5, Barclay James Harvest, Life is for Living.
Turn around and see the circles we spin and we're
A sun-drenched, incredibly uplifting progressive pop anthem driven by a bright rhythmic piano hook and a soaring, feel-good chorus that became a massive continental hit.
You to me are like the sun in the sky.
Number 4, Commodores, Lady, You Bring Me Up. An absolute powerhouse of post-disco funk and soul, bursting with crisp horn hits, infectious energy, and an incredibly joyful, tight vocal arrangement.
You came to me when I was low, no one cared.
Number 3, Barbara Dixon, January, February.
January, February, I don't understand.
A beautifully bright, synth-laden UK pop gem produced by Alan Tarney, showcasing Dixon's crystal-clear vocals over a delightfully bouncy rhythmic groove.
January, February, don't you come around.
Number 2, Freeez, I Owe You. A groundbreaking electro-funk and freestyle classic produced by Arthur Baker, driven by a monster synth bass line, stuttering electronic effects, and incredibly soulful high notes.
That's how I feel. I want it to be real. I want to know.
Number 1, The Police, Invisible Sun.
There has to be an invisible sun that gives us heat.
A hauntingly dark, deeply atmospheric post-punk masterpiece built around a tense synthesizer loop and a brooding, poignant narrative that remains one of the band's most powerful yet underplayed artistic achievements.
I don't want to spend the rest of my life looking at the veil.
Did the haunting synths of The Police bring back a rush of memories? Or are you ready to dance to Freeez? Tell me which long-lost 80s track you missed the most in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more deep-cut music history.